The only way to apply for the Apple Card and get it into your Apple Wallet is with an Apple iPhone. So that being said, let me take you through the application process and what it looks like. So when you get the invitation to apply for the Apple Card, all you need to do is go into your wallet and hit that plus sign at the top right of your screen. Tap on continue and you'll see the option to apply for the Apple Card on the next page. This tells you what the Apple Card is. It's issued by Goldman Sachs USA. Hit continue again if you want to start the application process, or you can take a look at Apple's terms and conditions. As you see there, it goes from 12.99 to 23.99% for the APR. No annual fees, transaction fees, penalty fees, or other fees as well. So again, from the Apple Card screen, hit continue, and you'll just need to put in your information. It's gonna look for your first name, last name, date of birth, and phone number. Then it's gonna have you confirm your home mailing address. And for me, I heard some people didn't need to do this, but it also asked me for the last 4 digits of my social security number. Next, it asked me for my annual income. Again, I heard some people did not need to supply this information either. You put in your annual income if it asks for it. Once again, it shows you the terms and conditions of the card, and if you're good with it, you can tap on agree at the bottom. It submits your application to Goldman Sachs, and within a few seconds, you will know if you're approved or not. Here you can see I submitted the application and I am approved for the Apple Card. I still have the opportunity to accept the Apple Card or decline it, and it shows me here my Apple Card with a credit limit of $20,000, an APR of 17.99%, and no fees. Now for me personally, that APR is a little high, but at the end of the day, I never keep balances on my credit cards anyway. I pay them all off each and every month, so the APR could be 0 or it could be 100%, and either way, it would not matter to me. Once you accept the Apple Card, you're then given the option to use it as your default card in your Apple Wallet, which I skipped on doing for now. You then add it to your wallet, and the next option given to you is to receive the physical titanium Apple Card. They'll mail it to the home address that you gave them, and you should receive it within 5 to 7 days of accepting it. After that, it takes you right into your Apple Wallet app on your iPhone and shows you the Apple Card interface right there. So as you can see, very simple to apply, very easy. And I was actually going through it slowly so you could see each step of the way, but you can imagine if you were doing it yourself, it really is just a few taps and you're done. You can probably get through it in under 1 minute. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed this one, and if you want to see more videos like this one in your subscriptions feed. And don't forget to like this video as well if you found any sort of value in it. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. As always, guys, I appreciate your support. I'm Andrew Edwards, and I will catch you in the next video.